Hello and welcome to another update video. Today we want to cover Sushi Swap. It is a coin that I did cover a couple of times in member-only live streams, and I made a specific member-only technical analysis video in October. And today, because there's not too much going on and it's end of the year, we want to look back and take a look at what actually happened with Sushi Swap. And also I had a few requests to update the Sushi Swap chart by a few channel members, so we are going to take a look at that today. Want to let you know what I said at the time in the video. Again, that is sort of 2 months back, 3 months back actually. So let's actually take a look at where we were back then. At fourth wave, I'd be looking at a target here between 173 and 377. So it could be quite a bit of a move to the upside before we head down, yeah. But this is sort of what I would expect based on the higher level analysis here of Sushi. This is more of a resistance area here. Yeah, we need to see where the price will react, and I would like to see one more low, to be honest. Yeah, and at the time we were at 142. The price actually did reach that green area, so we're going to take a look at that in a minute. I needed to convert the chart over to Binance, because I did use the FTX chart. That's obviously completely gone now. So I moved over to Binance, but the price levels were the same. So it was quite a bearish outlook. Again, we were at 142 back then, and they warned about going long or anything, and it looked very much like a corrective wave pattern based on the Elliott wave analysis. So today we are at 94 cents, and we actually reached the target area perfectly. After my last video, we actually moved up all the way to $2.10, but we pretty much bounced off that first resistance, which is the 23.6% Fibonacci retracement, and we reacted to it, and we're now heading further down. I don't expect this level to hold, that 87-cent level as support, and overall I had quite a bearish outlook on Sushi at the time. I mean, this could, if you can always interpret things bearish and bullish, but if you have quite a clear three-wave structure to the upside in the last bull run, then this is always a reason for concern, and I talk about it quite a lot. I mean, you never really know if this is a 5-wave move or a 3-wave move. It depends a lot on the sub-wave counting, and sometimes on the interpretation of the person doing it. I could probably tell you there will be a lot of people who count this as a 5-wave move. I'm not convinced about this, and if I have cryptocurrencies, I mentioned it a lot of times, if I have cryptocurrencies where the move up could be bearish, yeah, it could be a 3-wave move, which is not bullish, just a correction in the beginning to the upside, I tend to avoid these. I tend to avoid these because it means that there is a greater chance that it will fail or break down below this swing low from the beginning at basically below 45 cents. Yeah, it increases the risk. And it also increases the risk that these coins who put in 3 waves to the upside in the last bull run, it increases the risk they will not recover. So I tend to focus, when I invest also long term, I tend to focus on coins that create a proper impulse. Now here I didn't see that, which also made me tell you in the last video that we could move up a bit, but I would expect eventually another breakdown, which happened. I mean, we broke down from that high around 56%. So, and this is where we are. And now that we've topped in wave 4, I can give you actually a target for the wave 5 to the downside. We can do that now that we have the wave length, the length of the wave 1, and we can go to the high of the wave 4. And now we can look at a target for the 5th wave. And the first target would be the 1-to-1 ratio at 51 cents. That is the first target and possibility, I think, where it can turn around. And the next possibility will be at 21 cents. That's the 1.618 extension. So 2 bearish possibilities. If we look at the chart as it is, and I can also go back to the linear chart, we can see that this is basically the last swing low here. This the key support now at 86 cents. Now if we drop below that, I think fasten the seatbelt and we go back into that 50-cent range that I mentioned to you just now. This is also at the same level of this swing low, so will be additional support, but by then we will have come down so low that it's not unlikely that we're also going to break this one. So my expectation is fully to break below the swing low here from June, below that 86-cent level, and then to break further down. I don't see anything bullish yet. Things can change, and then we have to adjust our views, but to, first of all, issue here. This is not a breakout pattern. I mean, this is a crystal clear 5-wave move to the upside. Sorry, 3-wave move to the upside, and this is quite an impulsive move down. I have no reason to be bullish on this one at all. I don't see any reason to go long here at the moment. Yeah, we've seen that impulse down. We've seen a 3-wave move up, very corrective, and the impulsive move down. I think this is 5 waves down as well. So yeah, there could now be a bit of a retracement up, but then I think it will follow down fairly soon. And that's my update about Sushi. Sorry, it's a bearish outlook, but you know, we can only talk about reality, not about what we hope for and what we wish for. So we can only talk about what we really see in the charts, and so far it's worked out here on this chart. So I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.